My name is Chad, and on this channel, we make stuff. Now, I work from a two-car garage as my shop. I'm always busy. I've always got 2 to 3 different projects going on, and I've got to get creative with the space because it fills up pretty fast. As you can see here, I've got most of my big tools on wheels, such as this. Even my CNC machine is on wheels. So I've always got to think of different ways to free up floor space. Right now, what I'm faced with is I've got a dust collection system, which is basically just a shop vac with a separate dust collector bin bucket. And every time I want to use my dust collection with either like the bandsaw, the table saw, the planer, the sanders over there, or even the CNC machine, I've got to move the shop vac and the bucket and the hose just right so it reaches any one of these tools. So I need to come up with a good system to make the vacuum and the bucket and the hose all one unit. And I also want to make more surface area because there's always a shortage of surface area in a shop like this. So I will make a cart, a mobile clamping cart with a dust collection system. And once I get our mobile dust collection cart done, I can get rid of that table here, which is an old table saw, which no longer has the actual saw in it. I can get rid of that and replace it with the mobile cart, and I can free up all this mess here, and I can have a lot more floor space to move around in. Now here's the basic concept. We've got a cart here that's about 42 inches tall. I think I'm going to stick with the 42 inches, but it's still variable. All of this is variable. This is just a sketch. It's going to be 37 inches wide, and it's going to have a space down here for the shop vac, for the bucket. The shop vac is going to be enclosed with ventilation because you have to have ventilation because a vacuum operates on the flow of air coming into the intake. And then we're going to have an open space here, which is going to be reserved for things like all my cordless power tools. And up here at the top, we're going to have a 6-inch 2-layer system for a bench top with bench dog holes that we can use to insert clamps in and hold down our work pieces for whatever we're using. For the sides, I've got this spare piece of half sheet of white face that we're going to use. And then over here for everything else, we're going to be using 3/4 inch MDF. And we're going to go ahead and get started on cutting this up.
Religious figures are calling it the end of the world. Study if you can. As foretold Scripture, these are the ends of days. All of humanity should gather as one prayer for the preservation of the living and the soul of the infected. May God have mercy on us all.
As you can see, it's really starting to come together. I've decided to go ahead and cut the video off here and break it up into a couple different parts since we're getting a little bit long. But if you like what you've seen so far and you want to see how it comes together, go ahead and hit subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you can see how the rest of it comes together. Spoiler alert, I'm standing behind the finished product right now. This has become one of the features in my shop that I use daily. So if you want to see all the features that this bench includes, then go ahead and definitely do come back.